This animation was created in just 2 minutes. And guys, this one within just 3 minutes. None of them required any traditional video editing software. So how is all of this possible? Well guys, the answer is Remotion integrated with Claude Code. And I need to show you this because honestly, it just changes everything about how motion graphics get made. And guys, here's what I mean. If you are a video editor, you can create custom animated segments for your projects. That means the title cards, the lower thirds, the transitions without ever opening an editing software. So guys, if you are building a SaaS or an app, then you can just generate polished product demos that show exactly how your software works. And if you're running a business, you can turn your website into a professional explainer video in just a few minutes. So let me explain what's actually happening over here, okay? So Remotion is a framework that creates animations using code. But here's the key part. You don't write any of the code. Claude Code does all of that for you. So just kind of think of it like this. You give Claude a prompt describing the motion graphic that you want. Then Claude writes all of the Remotion code behind the scenes. Remotion then renders that code into an actual video file and you get a professional result without touching a single line of code. I mean guys, just take a look at this. This product demo has custom animations timed perfectly with the message. It uses specific fonts, specific colors, and has multiple scenes that flow together seamlessly. Guys, this is real motion design. And guys, everything that you need, the setup guide, the commands, the prompts, all of that is in our free school community, guys. There are already 12,000 creators already inside, guys. Go and check it out. I guarantee you are going to love it. The link is in the description below. But right now, let's hop over to the PC. Okay guys, so now that we are over to the PC guys, let's get into the installation, okay? So for this method, what you are going to need is VS Code, okay? And the best part is guys, it is free. And also you are going to need a Claude Pro subscription, which is about $20 a month. So that's basically it guys, okay? And now let me walk you through everything step by step, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to open VS Code and then you're going to go to the terminal at the top menu and then you're going to click on new terminal. And then you'll see a terminal window appear at the bottom of your screen. And then this is actually where we will run our installation command, okay? So now here's the exact command that you're going to need. So you can just copy it from the free school guide. Everything is in the description below guys. And then you are going to go ahead and you're going to paste that into your terminal and then you're going to hit enter. And guys, basically this command, it just downloads the Remotion skill and it installs it for Claude to use. So you'll see some prompts come up and then all you need to do is basically just follow along, and it's pretty straightforward if I'm being honest, and the whole process takes about 30 to let's say 60 seconds. So guys, once it's done, you'll see a message that confirms that Remotion has been installed, and now let's verify that it actually worked, okay? So let's just do a quick test and I want to show you guys how easy this is. So I'll give Claude a simple prompt for a coffee video, okay? And now I want you to watch what happens next, okay? So now Claude is actually starting to work. It's writing the code and it's setting up the composition. So here we can see guys, it is getting to work, and just like that guys, we now have a motion graphic and we went from nothing to a rendered animation in literally just less than a minute. So now if you want the full Claude desktop experience with co-work, then that's also $100 a month as an extra option. So it has better file management for complex projects, but for creating motion graphics, VS Code, it works just as well, and it's a fifth of the price. So you are saving money. Okay, so now let's go to some actual examples. Okay, so first up for the editing. So let's say you are editing a video and you need an animation title sequence, a lower third, or a custom transition. So normally you'd have to jump into After Effects. Then you'd have to spend about 30 minutes to an hour just building it out, and then you would have to render it, and then you would import it back into your timeline, which is pretty difficult, guys. So with Remotion and Claude, you can actually just describe what you want and everything gets done in literally just a few minutes. So let me show you guys how all of this works, okay? So I need an animation intro for a YouTube video, okay? So I'll type out my prompt and then I want you guys to watch how Claude will work through this. So it's now setting up the composition, it's creating the animation, it's styling everything, and and here is the result. Here we go, guys. Take a look at this. So as you can see, it's clean, it's professional, it's exactly what I described. And now I can export this and I can drop it straight into my edit. And guys, here is where it gets even more powerful. So let's say we have a client, and let's say that client wants a different color scheme. Then all I have to do is I just tell Claude, change the accent color to blue and make the text white. And then just like that, done. No hunting through After Effects layers, no re-rendering and just hoping that you got it right. Just describe what you want and it happens. Okay guys, so now let's talk about building product demos. So as a SaaS founder or app developer, you need to show people how your software works. So let's just be honest, screen recordings with a voiceover can only get you so far. With Remotion, you can create a polished product demo that actually looks like you hired a motion design team. So let's build one right now and let me show you guys. So I'm going to create a demo for a meditation app. Okay, so here's the prompt. So guys, this is a more complex request. So it has multiple scenes, there's specific animations, UI mockups, and I want you guys to watch how Claude actually handles all of this. Okay, so here's the result. Look at this, okay? So the app interface, it animates in, the features get highlighted, everything flows together, and this would take hours in traditional software, literally hours. Okay guys, so now let's iterate. So maybe I want the transition to be faster, and let's say I want to add a pricing section at the end, okay? Then I'll just tell Claude exactly that, and I want you guys to see this. So see how quickly that is updated? So now the transitions are snappier, and we have a new pricing scene, and this workflow, guys, this is the workflow that changes everything. You are not fighting with software. You are just having a simple conversation and it's giving you exactly what you want. Okay, guys, and the last example that I really want us to go through is the one that's if you are a business owner, okay? So let's say you own a business. Let's say that you have a website and you want to turn your key message into a professional explainer video. So I'm going to give Claude my website URL and I'm going to ask it to create a motion graphic based on what it finds there, okay? So now Claude is pulling the information from the site, the brand colors, the services, the key selling points, and now let's build out the animation, okay? So here's the result. Guys, just look at this. The color palette matches the brand, the messaging is pulled directly from the website, and the animations just look amazing, and the best part is it looks super professional. And this is a real explainer video for your business, created in minutes, based on content that you already have. And let's say you want to change something, okay? Then it's basically just the same process. You say, make the text larger and slow down the transitions between sections. And then Claude actually adjusts, it re-renders, and there you have an updated version. Now guys, let me give you 5 pro tips, okay? So this is going to get you better results with your prompts. So the first thing, guys, is be specific about your timing, okay? So instead of saying slow fade, say 2-second fade in. Claude actually understands exact durations and it will create much more precise animations. So the more specific you are with timing, the more control you have over the final result. And then guys, the second thing is mention your brand assets. So if you have a logo file or specific images, just tell Claude to use the logo from my files and it can actually incorporate your actual assets directly into the motion graphic. And guys, this is making a truly custom design for your brand. And the third thing, guys, is describe the vibe that you are going for. So words like energetic or minimal or corporate or playful or even calming, guys, help Claude understand the overall feel that you want, and this affects everything from the animation speed to the color choices to how elements move on the screen. And then the fourth thing, guys, that I want you guys to remember is specify your aspect ratios up front. So if you're making content for Instagram stories or TikTok, then say create a vertical 9:16 video. For YouTube, say create a 16:9 horizontal video, and this saves you from having to recreate the whole thing in a different format later on. And guys, the fifth thing is break complex projects into scenes. Okay, so instead of asking for one massive 15-scene video, describe it as scene 1 shows this, scene 2 transitions like that, scene 3 ends with this, and this helps Claude structure structure the video better and it gives you more control over the flow. Now guys, here is where it gets really powerful, okay? So you can integrate Remotion directly into the apps that you are building with Claude Code. So motion graphic generation becomes just another feature in your project. So let me show you what I mean, okay? With let's do a real example, okay? So let's build a simple meal planning app, okay? So users input their dietary preferences and then the app will actually generate a weekly meal plan with recipes. So it's pretty standard stuff. But now we're actually going to prompt it to create a simple animation with each meal plan. So that becomes a visual hook for the app users. So that motion graphic gets generated automatically. The app pulls the meal data, the ingredients, the timing, everything, guys. Remotion turns it into a branded animation. So there's no manual editing for you. It just happens when you click generate my plan. So when you install the Remotion skill in your Claude Code project, it becomes available alongside everything else that you're building. So you can take a generation based on user actions or data changes. Claude handles the code, Remotion renders the video, and your app delivers it. And the key thing here is that Remotion isn't just for making individual motion graphics. It's a programmable video engine you can build into anything. And that's what makes the difference. It's not just a tool, it's basically think about it as a building block. Okay, so now before you run out, guys, and you start creating some stuff, let me save you a whole lot of frustration while you are in the design process. So here are 2 mistakes that I made when I first started, okay? So mistake number 1 is asking too much at once, okay? We've all been there, guys. So I tried to create like 30-second videos with 10 different scenes in one prompt, and Claude, all it does is Claude just gets confused. And then what happens is, if it gets confused, your result ends up just being a complete mess. So break it down. Give everything in stages. And then just describe it scene by scene. And now, guys, mistake number 2 was not iterating enough. So your first generation might be 80% there, but then don't settle. Tell Claude what to adjust. Don't just accept it. Don't just be okay with where you are. Change the colors, adjust the timing, tweak the text. Do whatever you need to in order to get you 100% of the way. The iteration is where all of the magic happens, guys. And now, guys, let me be honest about the limitations, okay? So this is best for motion graphics, so animation text, shapes, transitions, UI, mockups. So if you actually need video clips of people or places, then you still need to film that, or you need to use stock footage. And sometimes, if I'm being honest, guys, the timing just isn't quite right, or an element just doesn't animate exactly how you pictured it. And I mean, that is pretty normal, so you give Claude feedback and it does adjust. But guys, that's just an important thing to pay attention to when it comes to the limitations. But as you guys can see, there's a whole lot of amazing things that is going on with this tool. So I want you guys to check it out. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think of it? And there we have it, guys. But I want you to think about what all of this actually means, okay? So 6 months ago, if you wanted motion graphics for your business, you had 3 options. You could either spend months learning After Effects, you could pay a designer $300 to $500 per video, or you could settle for generic templates that look like everyone else's content. Now, you can create custom professional motion graphics by simply just describing what you want. And guys, this isn't just a cool tool. This is the kind of tool that is going to take your design game to the next level. You don't need a degree. All you need to do is just follow what we went through in today's video step by step, and you are going to be designing some incredible things. And guys, if you want all of the complete resources, the templates, and a step-by-step guide, then all you need to do is join our free school community, guys. The link is in the description below. And guys, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. And also, guys, don't forget to drop a comment down below, guys. And also give this video a like and share it out. So that is it for this one, guys. It's been a whole lot of fun. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a like and also subscribe to the channel so that you never miss another video. And guys, I will catch you on the next one.